Hello, welcome. What's up? How is your day going? I hope I have my microphone. Tell me when it's getting creepy, because I will say here. No, I'm saying it's easy, no problem. I'll stay like this all the video 10 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 hour, 10 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, so the reason for this video is to explain what hypertext markup language is, HTML, more exact, the acronyms HTML. I want to create a group of videos or a playlist in which I want to explain everything, also to have exercises and practical things, not only with HTML but with all the most popular programming languages that we use. And also I want to play with other things, but for that we'll talk when the time is right. Look at that beautiful thing. Okay, we have the H, which comes from the hyper, meaning that HTML uses and creates, let's say, or can use hyperlinks. For that, let's create one right now. And for that, we need the A tag. Href. We have, let's go to my channel, YouTube channel. For that, let's input the protocol, the domain, and the location. And let's say if dot YouTube channel. Right, and let's close the A tag. Right, now if we click this hyperlink, HTTP, right, HTTPS. Okay, if we click it, we go to my web YouTube page, YouTube channel, and let's inspect, for instance, this guy. Let's use the shortcut. Let's see. Right, we when we check this video, when we check it in the console, we can see right over here we have the H tag, and in here we have the hyperlink. When we click it, you can go and watch my GitHub introduction, my Git introduction on YouTube. All right. Next, we have the text. T comes from text, meaning that HTML is a text-based markup language. It is used to create and read text on web pages. To achieve that, we use paragraphs, paragraph tags. Let's close them. What else? Come on, man. The headings. Okay. Let me escape. All right. We have the H1s, the headings. Of course, I can say here headings, but I do want to also to escape the characters. I think it will make it easier like this. We also can say another list, of course. In here, I can place some lists. And let's close the another list one. Right, that being said, let's again escape the characters. The M comes from markup, which means that HTML, we have a structure in HTML. And markup can be comes from the fact that there is a structure in this language as well. Let's say we have the head, we have the body, and I can say title. Yep, why not? Right. Okay, of course I have to escape everything. Okay. Don't worry about escaping characters. Escaping characters, I use them. I use the / just to display what you see on the screen. If I don't use them, then Obsidian will actually see them as HTML code. L comes from language, meaning that HTML is a markup language, as you can see, and as you know by now. It's a markup language used to create web pages. Maybe I can say more specifically, text web pages. Text web pages with which you can also implement hyperlinks. That's a big thing. Right in here, we can say the doc type. It's HTML, of course. Let's place it like this. I think I have to escape it as well, because otherwise Obsidian will see it as code. What else? I can say, of course, the language, right? And let's also say char set. Why not? UTF-8. Now, don't worry about these things. I will explain them in another video. Now, to iterate real fast, hypertext mockup language. It's what HTML means. The acronyms HTML. Hypers come from the fact that it contains, or you can create hyperlinks. Text is just a text-based markup language. Markup comes from the fact that you have a structure, and language is from the fact that it's just a markup language used to create text web pages. Until next time, take care, bye.